The width of the central pivot range is one of the best methods for forecasting potential price behavior for the following session in the market. Width typically means width between top center, DC, and bottom center, BC. Since the prior day's trading activity leads to the creation of today's pivots, it is extremely important to understand how the market behaved in the prior day in order to forecast what may occur in the upcoming session. An unusually narrow pivot range usually indicates the market is primed for an explosive breakout opportunity. Therefore, it becomes highly beneficial to know when this relationship has formed. A tight central pivot range can be dynamite. You want to be aware when a day has the potential to start off with a bang. Let's take a look 15-minute chart of HDFC Bank on 18th of May 2020. In this example, HDFC traded quietly sideways throughout the day on 15th of May 2020, which led to an extremely tight central pivot range for the following session. Remember, today's central pivot range is derived by using the prior day's high, low, and close prices. Eventually, initiative sellers overwhelmed the bottom of the prior day's range, ultimately pushing price to lower value. When this occurs, the conditions are ripe for a beautiful trending day, which was indeed the case on this day. Let's take another example. Bank Nifty traded sideways on 26th of May 2020, which led to the creation of an extremely tight central pivot range for the following session. As a matter of fact, the pivot range was so tight on this day that all three lines seemed to be at the exact same level. When this occurs, the chart is telling you that the stock is about to explode in one direction or the other, depending on how the market opens the following day. If the opening print confirms a drastic change in market sentiment by opening beyond the prior day's price range, you are likely to see an explosive breakout opportunity. As it turns out, Bank Nifty rallied nearly 1,000 points on the session, which is what you would expect to see when the pivot range is as tight as it was on this day. The Pivot Range Histogram. The Pivot Range Histogram allows you to measure the width of the pivot range in order to forecast when a trending or sideways market may occur. To add Pivot Range Histogram to the chart, open TradingView.com. Select any stock and click on Indicators and Strategies and search CPR width. This indicator basically uses the central pivot range to make a prediction on the day's potential behavior based on the prior day's movement. The histogram is fairly straightforward and easy to read. Basically, any reading below the midline of 0.5 indicates a trending type of day, while any reading above the midline of 0.5 indicates a sideways or trading range day. A reading above 0.75 increases the likelihood of sideways trading behavior, while a reading below 0.25 increases the likelihood of a trending market. The Pivot Range Histogram accurately predicted the market behavior for every single day during this week of trading. Backtest, and you will be amazed by the accuracy of the indicator. If you want to open up Stocks Trading account, check out the link in the comment. Open your account now and start trading. Don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment below letting me know what you thought. And make sure you subscribe to our channel and enable the bell notification. Thanks for watching.